Hello guys, this is Honor 9 Lite charging kit that I want to change charging port. As you can see, first of all we need to protect the mic hole and use some flexi for charging port. Then start heating. Remove the charging port and clean the solders. Place the new charging port. It's done. And this is the old charging port. This is J7 Samsung. The first of all, protect the hole that we have the mic other side of the port. Again, do the same work as we do for Honor 9 Lite. Good luck.